champion, syempre, dapat meron kang trophy o meron kang medal or meron kang college ring. And yung kasama ko ngayon, Gia Suarez, the Sales and Marketing Director of Suarez & Sons, meron siya lahat niyan.
Okay, Suarez & Sons, this is basically a family business that's been in the business for like 60 years already. And we love the business because it gives us an opportunity to show our artistry and our eye for detail.
And yung artistry na yan, makikita nyo, talaga naman ang mga naging kliyente nila, no less. Yung Ironman in Cebu this year and last year.
This is the one last year, and if you will see, this is how Kenneth designed it. As you know, Ironman is a triathlete competition, so he has the sports all here. So you have the running, you have the biking, and then you have the swimming, all in concentric circles. Now for this year, he designed something very unique. If you feel it, it's super heavy.
Oh yeah, heavy.
This is all metal, and this again illustrates the three kinds of sports. So we have the swimming. I think this is the running. And then this is the biking, because it looks like the tire.
The tire of the bike.
Yeah. And then at the back, again, you know that you have a piece of art because you have here the signature of Kenneth Cabonpue. Strong relationship with sports, with world-class sports. So when the SEA Games were held here in 1991, we did the medals. And when they were held here again in 2005, we also did the medals. So being part of a world-class sports event is nothing new for us.
What really interests me, alam nyo po, pag nag-aral po kayo ng university or college, meron kayong college ring. Okay, if I didn't graduate from the PMA, pwede rin ba ako umorder?
No way.
Para kunyari.
And then we also do wedding rings.
Things that I've never worn.
Yeah. And we have other designs of class rings also. We call them like the fashion rings. That's popular for employees to give loyalty awards to their employees, and sometimes they choose our rings. So like this is for a 10-year.
10-year for a company called
Isuzu, yeah. So we have a very lively export market.
I have so many rings already. I'd like to thank Gia Suarez. Having more rings, more medals, more trophies, and feeling like a champion.
Yeah, join a competition.
Join our
So
Ironman
you can get the
first my Chanina Aguilar. Thank you, Gia. Thank you so much. So ngayon, pagkain naman po ang pag-uusapan natin. In the middle of the Makati Central Business District, we found a restaurant in Ayala Triangle Garden. Grabe! How can you even think na magkakaroon doon ng pugon? You know, the brick oven. Yeah, it's really wow. And I want you to see kasi later on, baka makatikim ka rin.
Really?
Yeah, okay? So let's watch this. Alam niyo po ba kung ano ibig sabihin ng pugon? Yun po ay brick oven sa gitna po ng Ayala Triangle Gardens. Nahanap namin ang Chef Lau's Pugon Roasters. Chef Lau, kasama po natin yan, pati po ang misis niya, si Chef Jack Laudico. May bago na naman kayong restaurant.
Oo nga eh. Yeah, ano yan, bagong baby namin yan.
O anong bago sa Pugon?
Actually, you know, ang gusto namin dito sa ginawa namin concert, actually, fast food talaga siya. Meaning, mabilis yung service, very affordable, mura siya. Pero, hindi siya yung usual fast food na gumagamit ng mga preservatives, MSG, mga ganun. Lahat made from scratch, lahat, kumbaga, fresh. Ang tawag nga namin dito, hindi fast food eh. Fast good. Alam mo, yung manok namin, 99 pesos, napakalaki. Quarter chicken, may rice na, may kompleto na lahat. Ang inspiration talaga namin dito is comfort food na kinakain ng mga Pinoy or mga Filipino food na talagang malapit sa puso natin. Pero ang star talaga dito is yung Pugon roast talaga.
Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, pareho po mag-asawang chef. Ang husband ang sa maalat, sa savory. Ang wife naman sa mga sweet desserts.
queso de bola cheesecake na yan. It's only,
Heaven yun,
ano,
heaven.
Lahat dito halos paghapon, yun yung mga ino-order.
At nakalimutan kong pagkitin. Every Saturday and Sunday, may masaya dito kasi alam mo bakit? Di ba may uso yung only rice na yan?
Okay, alam
Dito,
ko na yata.
only chicken!
Only chicken. Kala ko may
Oo.
concert. Only chicken pala.
Only chicken! Hindi! Pwede rin ako mag-concert pag Saturday.
Okay.
Kumakanta rin ako.
Okay,
Rockers din ako eh.
Sample
Only
nga,
chicken.
sample
Ha?
daw. Okay, sample ng kanta. Anong bang pupuntahan nila? Ng isang linya ng kanta.
Now be your crying shoulder. I'll be love suicide.
Yeah!
Alam mo,
Okay.
tama na to. Pasok na tayo dyan.
Oo nga eh. Napakasarap, parang level up na chicken inasal na meron pang kakaibang ingredient na linalagay sila na mas pinasarap pa. Pero meron akong dalawang bagong discovery na talagang tsak na babalik-balikan at kailangan ninyong matikman. Una, ang tinatawag nilang caldereta mac. Kung sanay kayo kumain ng baked macaroni, di ba para lang yung spaghetti sauce, linagay sa macaroni tapos linagyan ng keso? Ito hindi. Meron itong caldereta sauce, tapos meron parang matamis na parang hindi ko maintindihan. At talagang sobrang malinamnam, kaya kailangan yung puntahan at tikman itong caldereta mac. Tapos ang second discovery ko, itong beef sisig. Angus yata o wagyu yung ginagamit nila dito, kaya napakasarap. Nalinagyan pa ng itlog at linagyan ng anghang. Kaya talagang kailangan yung matikman.
Philip, sana naman sinama mo ako dun sa food place mo.
Hayaan mo na, sa next time sasama ka namin. Pero for now, dinalan ka namin. What do you think of their chicken?
It's really good.
Really? It's tasty, tender.
Tasty and really soft.
Yeah, hindi siya sobra sa luto. Di ba minsan pag ang chicken na sobra, parang it's so tough, it's dry. Di ba? Or minsan naman kulang sa flavor. Di ba? This one's just right. Ngayon mamimigay na naman tayo ng mga gift checks para naman mga viewers natin matikman rin nila ang pagkain dyan sa Chef Lau's Pugon Roasters. Okay? So, ganito lang po kasimple. Sasagutin nyo lang po itong tanong na ito.
Kung alam niyo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng pugon in English, just tell us.
Yon, di ba? Ano ang pugon in English? Di ba? At nandyan ang Facebook namin tsaka ang Twitter. Kaya sumali na kayo, mag-tweet or mag-FB. Message lang po kayo sa amin. At malay nyo kayo ang mananalo ng aming gift checks! Huwag po kayong aalis kasi sa pagbabalik namin, makakasama na namin ang kayong collab team, ang napaka-hot na si Vin Abrenica sa ating kwentuhang kumot. Okay ha? So, dito lang yan sa
It's more fun with Philip.
ang lifestyle show ng bayan.
It's more fun with Philip.
It's more fun with Philip.
Ang RPA ay para sa real, personal, and all that style. Ngayon, kung meron kayong negosyo na gusto nyong palaguin at madaming taong makaalam nito, yan ang kakayanan ng RPA. Pwede namin kayo ilagay sa dyaryo, sa magazine, ipalabas sa TV, at ilagay sa internet. Mas madaming taong nakakaalam sa negosyo nyo, mas madami kayong sales. Yan ang kakayanan at yan ang magagawa ng RPA.